Hi, it's Hector Diaz. In this video, we're going to talk about the escrow process and what to expect from inspections to repairs and negotiation.
After formally accepting an offer, you can now officially open escrow. There are several important steps involved in the escrow process that lead to closing the transaction. Here's a quick breakdown of what to expect. Opening escrow. The buyer will need to provide what is known as an earnest money deposit, which represents their good faith to purchase the home. This could range from 1% to 3% of the sales price, although that's fully negotiable. Receiving a deposit demonstrates the buyer's good faith to purchase your house and grants them some time to gather their financing and conduct the title search, property appraisal, and inspections before closing. 2. Review closing costs. Your agent will review the fees associated with closing on a house, which will be split up between you and the buyer. Some fees include title, escrow, inspection, and lender fees. Home inspection. A home is purchased in as-is condition unless the buyer requests repairs. Therefore, the buyers will most likely hire a home inspection company to thoroughly inspect your house and highlight any potential problematic areas or points of concern before moving forward. Pest inspection. This is when a qualified company comes out to assess if the home has any damage from pests and termites. After the home and pest inspections are completed, there are 3 directions the buyer may go. 1. The buyer changed their mind and will walk away from the property. 2. The buyer is happy with the property and wants to move toward closing. 3. Or the buyer could submit a formal request for repairs where we may negotiate for certain repairs to be made or credits be offered, depending on the final results of the inspections. In the next video in our series, we'll discuss what happens toward the end of the sales process when you close your transaction.
If you want to learn more about how my team and I can help you in listing your home, feel free to reach out to me today. Give me a call, text, or send me a private message below. Thanks for watching.